Hello friends, this is a 2012 Dodge Avenger. Today we're going to be showing you where the oxygen sensors, the O2 sensor located on this vehicle. If you have any problems with it, you know it's related to the oxygen sensors, then you'll know where they're located and where to go from there, okay? All right, let's get to it. Okay, in this vehicle, we have a 2.4 liter engine, okay? So it's a 4 cylinders in line, so you just have one bank of exhaust. So you're just gonna have like a bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 2 on the oxygen sensors, okay? So it's pretty easy. It's really accessible once if you have the car in the air. I think you can see from there, you can see this right here is gonna be the bank 1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor, and then right here is gonna be your bank 1 sensor 2, which is the one for the emissions. You just, in order to replace them, you just gotta follow the wiring, on the oxygen sensor, see where the connector is, unhook the connector, and then get your O2 sensor socket, or in this case you could use a 7/8 wrench O2 sensor socket, special socket, which is a 7/8 or a 7/8 wrench. See? Now let's see, like, to replace this one, you could easily, reach it with your wrench, or you could go with your O2 sensor socket, which will fit just like this. See? Just put your ratchet in there and break it loose. All right, friends, there you have it, quick and simple. All right, so if you like this video, please give us some likes, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. See you next time. All right.